The big story, viewers, that we have for you, that's the latest coming in as far as Kanwar Yatra is concerned. Now, Samajwadi Party leader S.T. Hassan has made a controversial statement amid the ongoing debate over Kanwar Yatra in Uttar Pradesh. Criticizing the Yogi government, Hassan claimed that the administration's decision to ask individuals about their religious identity is akin to terrorism. He went a step further this time, saying that asking Muslims about their religion, what their religion is, in his words, no less than terrorism, and alleged that there is no difference between them and the terrorists of Pahalgam. His statement came after Congress leader Digvijay Singh said that the yatra is used to create an atmosphere of hatred. Listen in.
क्या किसी भी सिविलियन को ये राइट है कि किसी दुकानदार की चेकिंग कर ले और चेकिंग करके वो पैंटे उतरवा के देखे? तो क्या पहलगाम के अंदर आतंकवादियों ने पैंटे नहीं उतरवाई थी? ये इस तरह से ये भी टेरराइज कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने गोली मारी थी, यहाँ सिर्फ टेरराइज कर रहे हैं। तो मैंने क्या गलत कह दिया?
ऐसा है, ये राज्य सरकार अगर कांवड़ यात्रा के लिए सुविधा प्रदान करती है तो उसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, लेकिन दूसरी बात यह है कि कांवड़ यात्रा के माध्यम से आप एक नफरत का माहौल पैदा करें समाज में, वो उचित नहीं है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Adib joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Adib, so we have Digvijay Singh of the Congress Party, S.T. Hassan of the Samajwadi Party making these shocking statements ahead of Kanwar Yatra.
Well, definitely, Hina, see, and this is why the BJP is now training their guns at both the India Bloc parties, including Congress Party and the Samajwadi Party. BJP says that it's the Congress Party who has been spreading hate for the past 70 years. And now senior Congress leaders such as Digvijay Singh is making comments, and he's saying, alleging in fact that the Kanwar Yatra creates an atmosphere of fear. And then we have Samajwadi Party leader S.T. Hassan, who says that the private people who are checking the ID cards, he says that who has given them the right, and secondly, he links them with the terrorists of the Pahalgam. Says that in the Pahalgam incident also the terrorists were checking the religion of the people, the innocent civilians in Pahalgam. Those were the tourists, and similarly this incident is being done in Muzaffarnagar. So this is how both the leaders of Congress Party and the Samajwadi Party they are taking up the matter of Kanwar Yatra ahead of the Kanwar Yatra. Although the BJP is condemning the statement given by both the leaders, BJP says that as far as S.T. Hassan is concerned, Samajwadi Party national leadership should take action on him for his statement. And BJP is also trading guns on the Congress Party for the statement given by Digvijay Singh.
All right, Adib, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on the story. And like you were telling us, BJP has come down heavily on what it calls the anti-Sanatan brigade, accusing the opposition parties of appeasement and targeting Hindu traditions. BJP has alleged that certain political parties, particularly the Congress, are deliberately undermining Sanatan values only to cater to a specific vote bank. So vote bank appeasement is the charge of the BJP. The saffron hatred, party also alleges that Congress believes in the politics of Sharia and labeled them as anti-Hindu, anti-Sanatan party. Listen.
देखिए, मैंने पहलगाम के बाद जब रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ने उसके बारे में टिप्पणी किया कि ये इसका कारण पाकिस्तानी टेररिज्म नहीं है लेकिन 370 का रिपील है, मैंने तब कहा था ये समझते हैं कि पाकिस्तानी टेररिस्ट और इंडियन मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी दोनों एक हैं। जो भारतीय हैं, भारतवासी हैं, सभी यही चाहते हैं कि टेररिज्म को डिफीट किया जाए। इनका जो राजनीति है, तुष्टीकरण का राजनीति है, मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी को भड़काने की राजनीति है और टेररिज्म को जस्टिफाई करने की राजनीति है।
माननीय दिग्विजय सिंह जी, you must ask your brother Lakshman Singh first that who creates the atmosphere of hatred in Kanwar Yatra. आपके भाई लक्ष्मण सिंह अच्छी तरह से बताएंगे आपको that when people impersonate them to be Hindu and start doing all kind of nonsense business during Kanwar Yatra by selling meat or selling mixed products, then the hatred starts. हिंदू बन के कांवर यात्रा में दुकान खोलने से hatred होती है. And so if the administration asks you to identify yourself put your name on the board and everything, then you call this as a hatred. Basically, anything concerning Hindu is hatred for you. You don't find hatred in all this Muharram Yatra or Tajia and anything. You find that quite peace-loving. That's quite secular for you. Shameful. You guys have created hatred for the last 70 years and you are responsible for it. You are the promoters of hatred. Now there is no scope of hatred in India. Learn to live. Don't learn to appease. And don't be ready to get appeased. This is the clear-cut message.
See, Digvijay Singh is speaking the language of Rahul Gandhi, and the Congress inherently is anti-Hindu, anti-Sanatan. Rahul Gandhi in the past has said that it's a Muslim party. This is why they will support Sharia in Bihar. They will look at Kawad Yatra, which is about the